Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro not charging in case. So I will be showing you a few methods. First we have here is you need to check the basics first. Make sure the case has power. Plug the charging case into a USB-C cable and wall adapter for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Check the LED indicator. If it's red, charging, green, fully charged, no light, the case might not be receiving power. Try another cable, adapter, or outlet. Number two, clean the charging contacts. Dust or earwax can block the metal charging pins. Use a soft, dry cloth or cotton swab with a little rubbing alcohol to gently clean the metal connectors inside the case. The charging points on each earbud. Let everything dry completely before placing them back. Number three, reposition or reset the buds. Make sure the buds sit snugly in the charging case. You should feel a magnetic click when they are properly aligned. If not, try removing the air tips and reseating the buds. Sometimes they block proper contact. Number four, reset the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. If cleaning doesn't help, do a full reset. Open the Galaxy wearable application on your phone, top earbud settings, reset earbuds, confirm and pair them again after reset. This can fix software glitches that stop the buds from recognizing charging input. Number five, try wireless charging if available. If the case isn't charging via cable, try a wireless charger. Place the case flat on the wireless pad. Check if the LED light turns on. If it charges wirelessly, the USB port or the USB-C port may be damaged. Six, check for firmware updates. Sometimes Samsung releases bug fixes for charging issues. Open Galaxy wearable application, go to earbud setting, earbud software update, and download and install. Lastly, inspect for hardware issues. If only one bud charges, its charging pin or battery could be faulty. If neither charges, the charging case, battery, or pins might be damaged. In this case, visit a Samsung service center or authorized repair shop. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.